two life hacks that completely changed my life. First one is journaling. Since I started to journal, since I started to documenting my life, it's helps me to put it in all my to-dos, tasks, deadlines, and all in there, which is helpful for the end of the day. I can look it out and what I done and what I didn't and how to change e- even better in tomorrow, next week. Just introspect, and it's helps me. What I like, it's a therapy, psychological therapy like that. In second habit that changed my life is when I finish my tasks, commitments, and deadlines, and when I treat in X, and when I strike finish my daily strike, which is right in each day in LinkedIn, and if whether it is in chat in YouTube, and make a learning that showing into my viewers in anything is when I finish, when I did make actions, then going to check out how it's feel, and I'm accepting whether it's good, feel good, and whether it's bad and mediocre, and it's not the case, but it's helps me to improve the quality of thinking, because of is like improve self-worth, because I can catch what is positive and which is the negative, and make changes according to my findings